As a defensive alliance, NATO needs to safeguard allies against threats from the air. This could mean hostile aircraft, cruise and ballistic missiles, but also emerging threats like drones and hypersonic missiles. How does NATO defend against these threats? Working together, NATO allies have deployed an integrated system of radars, ground and sea-based air and missile defense systems, and fighter jets across alliance territory to detect and intercept possible threats. This is important in peacetime and in times of crisis and conflict. For example, what if a passenger plane loses communication mid-flight and cannot coordinate with air traffic controllers? Ground-based and airborne radars can track the plane, while jets scramble to visually identify it. Once they confirm a loss of communication, they can guide the aircraft to safety. But in the event of a conflict, the NATO integrated air and missile defense system will shield Allied territory from threats like cruise or ballistic missiles. A hostile launch would be detected by NATO's array of sensors on land, in the air, at sea, or in space. Once a missile has been pinpointed, NATO can use a variety of defense systems to neutralize the threat. NATO command posts calculate trajectory, evaluate the threat, and determine the best option for interception. Land-based systems like the US THAAD can intercept and destroy missiles at altitudes as high as space. For short to medium-range targets, NATO can use systems like the Patriot or the SAMP-T. Allied warships and fighter jets can also destroy incoming missiles before they can hit Allied soil. This integrated system works day and night, 365 days a year, keeping allies safe from threats coming from the sky. While this system has been around for more than 60 years, the alliance must now contend with new threats. Drones can range from larger unmanned military aircraft to small commercial ones. While they don't look like much next to a cruise or ballistic missile, they can still cause damage and disruption, especially when used in swarms. NATO allies are developing additional solutions to counter potential threats from drones. Hypersonic missiles present another emerging threat. Flying faster than 5 times the speed of sound, these missiles can maneuver in flight, making them hard to track. While defense against hypersonic missiles is challenging, NATO is working on systems to counter them. No matter what challenges NATO may face in the future, allies are committed to defending their airspace and keeping their citizens safe.